Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and it is too hot to think, so I've decided I'm not going to do that. I'm just not. I'm going to use my big bottle of black, and I have a big bottle of gold. Try not to catch my shorts on my edge catcher that's going to catch paint. There's a big glop of something right there that needs to go away. I'm going to want some enamel. I'm going to use some more gold. I want it to move both ways in a very random shape and pattern before I put the rest of my color on here. I'm just covering canvas with a nice heavy layer of paint. The easiest way, well, you know what? I had a pair of tweezers and I see that thing. It needs to come out. Alright. So a little more black, I think. That's enamel. Maybe I could just use that instead. I don't know. I guess some more enamel. Excuse me, some more black. And this time, I guess I'm going to just go ahead and move that to the outside. So when I go to flow paint, there will already be paint there to flow it to. Now there is a stretcher bar in the middle of the back of this. I think I said this is a 12 by 24 inch canvas. This is also an OXO omelet turning spatula, which I recommend highly, and they are available on my Amazon link. And you can find my Amazon link under the video on a link called Linktree that says shows all trees, yeah, shows all links. Or open this to see all links. I have no idea what's going to happen now. I just had it in my head that I want to experiment. And there's a really good chance that there's something in my way. There's a really good chance that I'm going to not know what I'm going to do next. So whatever I was going to say, that left my head in a hurry. It's so hot out here today. Alright, so I've got some beautiful colors. And I want a whole bunch more of my... I want stuff I can't have because it plugged up while I was inside. I want a whole bunch of my purple flash from its color shift from Folk-Art. I want some of my blue, Venetian blue. I want some of my white, metallic from Anita's. I want a whole bunch of red. And I'm going to go for the orange. And back to my neon purple from Folk-Art, which is a multi-surface. And I think I'm going to finish up, maybe not. I thought I was going to finish up with that. What am I going to put in there? I'm going to put some magenta in there. And then I have some black here. I have some black enamel here. And I'm thinking that if I just take my leftover dish of black enamel and put it right in there. Alright, so I'm going to get some bottles out of my way before I complain about them being in my way. And I'm going to throw a little bit of yellow in there because I can. I am going to wish that I had let all of that paint drain down so I could use it. I'm just going to do whatever feels right at the time. And what feels right is being able to have a big enough surface area Now the one color I'm really not seeing a lot of that I want some of is the turquoise color shift from Folk-Art. So I think I'm just going to put some of that right in there. And if there's anything else I want right now, like maybe a little more orange. I'm going to do that. Whatever is available inside my shovel is also going on there. Now I may swipe through this, I may not. I'm definitely always up for a little more of my purple flash. It's color shifting. I don't know what's going to happen. I kind of wanted to swipe first and ask questions later. There's my edge catcher in case I decide I need it. So, alright, I'm just going to do it. I'm going to grab some enamel first though, just to be on the safe side. Not only that, to be on the safe side, let's use the gold. Let's go up in the wrong direction first. Now I really do like doing these. And once I do it, I may tip it. So I've got the black and the gold backwards. And I'm really liking the leftover colors that are solid or striped. And I'm thinking I'm going to probably take advantage of the idea that I wanted to use a skewer earlier. When I get to the edge, I'm going to let whatever's on the card fall over and cover my edges with it. Like now. So very abstract. That's going in the bucket. I haven't tipped yet. I'm going to grab myself a skewer. Take full advantage of the... Wow, what's hanging off that? Something. Yeah, bamboo skewers often have bamboo threads hanging off them. So I have to take stock and decide if I'm going to be more disappointed if I tip about losing what I had. I've got some great cells happening here. And in theory, a few more could happen. I may just not tip. But I am kind of having a really good time. I got to be a little careful about going too far. Sometimes these look crazy. Loving that turquoise in there. The depth of the paint in the middle is still calling me to tip. I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which means that it doesn't crack when it dries heavy. And I've recently replaced my Deco-Art pouring medium that's in the recipe underneath the video, in the description, with GAC because it is actually less expensive. So that's pretty wild. The only thing I'm thinking is that I wanted some purple somewhere over there. I've got some right here. Don't ask me why. I think I have enough colors. I really like this, but I really want to tip too. Let's see what happens. Let's go both directions. I don't think it's hurting anything. It just sort of melds things together a little more. And in this case, it's spreading out the colors a little more. I've done these before, and I like doing them every time. So, I think that that is probably good enough for me, except for the fact that I just realized I don't have any spirals in there at all. And I love spirals. Try and keep them a little subtle. My goodness, that paint is way heavier. than I should probably be using. But I do trust my golden. Yeah, I like it. I like it fine. Do I want that purple mark to continue? I think I do. Yep, the purple mark makes me happy. I think that's pretty darn good. If I need something else, I'll just add it. A lot of times I'll add dots, but I don't think this needs dots. But I definitely like the idea of purple flash in a few places. I have tremendous cells happening everywhere, so maybe it's time to torch. It's a very warm day out here. Let's see what happens when we torch. I didn't stretch anything as far as I could have. I didn't really do the swipe I thought I was going to do, although it is swiped. Definitely swiped. That's kind of exciting. I don't know, that seems like a really dangerous party to me. Paint's too heavy in the middle for me to actually burn it by accident, so that's working out. If I see any of these little strands here, I sometimes like to just... Yeah, I got a skim on my surface. Okay, well it is what it is. And it's got a few dots here and there, just to make the dots that I got a moment ago. Seem more cohesive. So I love you guys. And if you share my videos, I love you more. If you give me a thumbs up, I love you more still. And I love your comments. Your comments are awesome. Thank you so much for keeping my morale boosted. I really appreciate that, more than you can know. Almost as much as I appreciate all the donations you guys have given me to keep me painting all this time. Thank you so much. And if you are interested in joining in the monthly drawing, you can find... Ooh, that's a nice one. You can find an exhibition video on the end screens of any video. Wow, it's really cool that I could torch and then still spiral some things, which is not recommended, by the way, but it doesn't seem to keep me from doing it. As long as the paint is heavy, I can get away with that. So I don't have very much white in there, but I got a little bit, just barely enough. Alright, so what am I going to tell you? I'm going to tell you that I have over 1,400 videos, and you can find them. They're organized under playlists, on created playlists, and they're organized by genre and topic and by the 100. Welcome to all my new subscribers. If you guys watch longer, it helps me out. Make sure to ring the bell if you want notifications. I love your thumbs up. Thank you so much. And I told you about the playlist. Teespring clothing underneath the video is mine, and you can get all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts there. And should you be ever interested in any of my designs becoming an article of clothing, I can make it available either on Teespring or on Fine Art America or Pixels.com. So just let me know. Same with comments. If you guys are looking for my old paint pouring recipes under the video, I'll have to update that at some point in time. Yes, I'm still being naughty and spiraling things out, but I hope I'm not ruining anything, and I don't think I am. I'm pretty happy with all of that, and I'm really happy with you guys that you joined me. I have over 88,000 subscribers and climbing, and I'm really, really happy that you guys are here. That's the one that was causing me trouble before. Alright, it's fine. I love you guys. I'll see you in on. Bye for now. Priscilla out.